guys, today we are playing Engine Bikes 3D. I mean Fortnite. I call that Fortnite. I don't care if it's not Fortnite. Okay, let's play it. Fortnite. There's no logic about this. Even you go in the water. Okay, I'm not spoiling you guys. I'm not spoiling you guys. I'm not spoiling. I ain't spoiling anymore. Let's go! I slew my fart and then I ate it. It's super disgusting. Oh my god, it's super bad. Okay, I got 2 FPS. Just become 30 FPS. Okay, this is the first one. This game makes no sense. It makes no sense. Look. Oh, I thought there was. I never guessed that. Okay, but guys, this is the real. On this one concept, there's cheats. But guys, today I'm gonna die. Today we're gonna die. I'm gonna die today, guys. Bye bye. But this game makes no sense. Why did you go to the water? I wanted to go to the water. This makes no sense, right guys? That makes no sense. Okay, let's go for a challenge. Let's go zombie mode. I'm pretty scared guys, but I don't care. Please not bad FPS. I'm gonna die.